today's live session here. I want to congratulate and first of all being here in this group. So dosto, today's topic is all about like following in the trap. So basically, what is it all about? I want to just first of all let me tell you जो टॉपिक है आज का हमारा फॉलोइंग इनटू ट्रैप इन द सेंस कि जो ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग है, फेसबुक एड्स है, फनल्स है और गेटिंग कस्टमर, that is really important part. But let me tell you today here, before you focus on technology, Facebook ad, funnel, beautiful website, there are some steps that you need to work on that one. I will be discussing about that one. What are two important things are in your business, in your marketing, if you want to take massive action and get amazing customer in your business. Then watch this video till the end. In case you can hear me, you can see me, just type in comment box. Let me see how many of you are there live right now. Awesome. If you are live right now, you can just type in comment box. Let me just share this link quickly. Yeah, so awesome. So first thing what I realize, dosto, you need to know your proof of concept. Proof of concept in the sense जो आपका प्रोडक्ट है, सॉल्यूशन है, सर्विस है, whatever you have or you have some idea, it can be anything. आपको उसके बारे में पूरा क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए and that should be solving the problem in the market. Because what I have realized after working with so many people are directly jumping into the Facebook or like paid advertising or the building funnels or building beautiful website, and then they are not focusing on the core thing. So because I was there and there are so many students, I have realized after coaching more than 20,000 people. Okay, so you need to focus on building your proof of concept, because we call it like following in the trap, in the sense if you get in the trap like in order to achieve great success you need to have beautiful website. Yes, you need that one, but not immediately. You might need beautiful funnel. Yes, you need, but not immediately. You might thinking that I need to start spending a lot of money right now on the paid advertising. Yes, that is required, but not immediately. So what is needed for your business growth and success in online world? The number one thing first you need to know is proof of concept. आपका जो कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट है, सॉल्यूशन है, सर्विस है, फिजिकल है, डिजिटल है, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. यू नीड टू टेस्ट इन द मार्केट जो आपका ड्रीम कस्टमर है. दैट आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस लेटर ऑन. इफ यू एग्री ऑन मी दिस पॉइंट, इफ यू एग्री विथ मी ऑन दिस पॉइंट कि बॉस बिफोर डूइंग लाइक हाई परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग और एडवर्टाइजिंग आपको थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए कि आपका प्रोडक्ट सॉल्यूशन इसके अंदर how exactly you are solving the problem. Second, once you know that one कि आपके एक कस्टमर है, दो कस्टमर है, चार कस्टमर है, 10 कस्टमर है, then you need to find the dream customer. Second, I call it, and I discuss in this हमारा जो high performance Facebook and funnel workshop है, I share so many strategies there. I believe so many of you already attended. Okay, so second is all about who is your dream customer, like what are their pains, उनके desires, how they look, male, female, gender is really important. Okay, why this is important? Just assume कि boss, let's take simple example. There is zebras, right? There are the zebras in the market, like on the jungle. There are so many zebras, right? But आप just imagine कि एक lion है and that lion try to catch everybody on that crowd. आपको लगता है क्या कि he can catch one? No. So you need to know your dream customer. If you say that everybody is my customer, no. Just take example of this lion or some otter buffalo. उनको catch करना है, right? उनको शिकार करना है, तो what they do? They find one. They target one. That's how they achieve. So just like that one, before running all ads, funneling all things, you need to know about your dream customer, उनके pain, उनके desire, उनके requirement, and that will help you to run the advertising. Third step I talk about before you run paid advertising immediately, I call it like I learned from mentor as well, organic attraction method. Listen to me, okay? First I discuss about today here कि you should not get into fall into trap कि आपका जो solution है products को without validation आपको immediately high performance paid advertising में नहीं जाना है. You have to validate. Second, I told you need to have dream customer persona. जो आपका ड्रीम कस्टमर है, आई टीच इन माई हाई परफॉर्मेंस फेसबुक एंड थर्ड, I'm discussing about go in the market, use organic attraction system. So what is the organic attraction system? Suppose you have the Facebook profile, you might be having some contacts, you might be having Facebook groups, you might be having email list, or you might be having some contacts जो आपको लगता है कि कोई somebody in your contact, they are serving your customers. You can do joint venture. I have given some idea why this is important. Get first 10 client through organic method, and once you think that you are generating some cash flow, then you can go for shiny object. Like I mean to say important thing. I strongly believe because the paid advertising is scalable, right? कितना लोग believe करते हैं? The paid advertising is scalable. You can just type in comment box. Do you think this is the paid advertising is scalable? आप अच्छी मतलब you can take to the long run the paid advertising, but you need to have that combination. First part. So let me recap this what I discussed so far. Today's title, if you see here, falling into trap, online business growth strategies and myths. You might be thinking कि some people might think that this is only by running ads and I can make a lot of money, but it's only about building funnel, I can make a lot of money, or only about like selling product जो कुछ भी आपके, I can make a lot of money. But all these things are interconnected. These are the steps. If I want to summarize this video here, first formula to get online clients. If you are completely new, no matter what you are doing, you are in e-commerce, training, coaching, consulting, or network marketing. If you are looking for clients, the first thing you need to just validate the proof of concept. Like जो कुछ भी आपका product है, solution है, how like what kind of product or problem that's solving. आपका जो product है कौन सा problem solve कर रहा है, first thing. Second, you need to test in the market. As I told you, you need to have dream customer persona. You cannot target each and everybody. You need to know that small group of people, though those might be interested in your product, like top 3%, top 5%, those might be interested in your product solution. How you can know that one? If you go in the market, you work with 10, 15, 20 clients, leads, you will understand that one. And third, I highly recommend you, before you go into the too much investment in a business, आपका business completely new है, go with the organic method like a Facebook group, Facebook posting, speak about that one in case you have some network or you have some partners in your in business and industry. आप उनसे contact कर सकते हो. Get some 5-10 clients organically and then you can reinvest in the marketing. Okay, that I'm talking about. So first of all, if you like this video, I mean to say what kind of problem you are facing, और आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी क्या myths है कि दत्ता कि ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सक्सेस पाने के लिए डू आई नीड लॉट ऑफ मनी, मतलब मैं टेक्निकल होना चाहिए क्या, समथिंग लाइक दैट वन. सम पीपल से दत्ता आई एम नॉट टेक्निकल, आई नेवर रन द एड बिफोर, और आई डोंट हैव टाइम. दोस्तों, दिस इज द बेस्ट स्किल यू कैन मास्टर इन योर बिजनेस, getting quality customer consistently. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Share your comment below. What I am planning right now, I just want to announce in this call itself, I am planning too many live sessions so that you guys can ask me the question below this video. Ask your genuine challenge right now below this video. I will reply personally back to you. Okay, genuine challenge in your business, in your life you are facing with the Facebook ad or online marketing or your product or selling, share that below so that upcoming session I can answer your questions or I will personally reply back to you. Okay, thank you very much guys. Thanks for the joining today's sessions, and if you have registered for my upcoming live workshop, please be there because this workshop has been attended more than 10,000 entrepreneurs and it's a transforming, because you can see the post here every day. New case studies are being created successfully. Thank you very much. Signing off for today. Let's meet live in the upcoming call plus workshop, and stay tuned on this group. If you like this video, share with your loved ones, share your learnings and grow your business. Dhanyavad.